Everyone, welcome back to another video on Andrew Zone, and today we are going to be doing some JavaScript on a computer. So, it doesn't matter which computer you're on, like if it's a Windows or if it's a Mac or whatever, Yeah, so if you're on a Mac, you would find something located somewhere around here on the screen, but it won't have that right there, the Minecraft login. Yeah, no, it won't have a Minecraft login thing, but yes, it will have something there. There will be something like a magnifying glass, sorry. So when you click on it, then there would be some search things, so you could search for something, type in text edit, then you would find the application text edit. So text edit is something where you could do text and stuff like that, create pages, whatever. But first you need to click on in text edit format, then you click on make plain text format. So it has to be plain text, otherwise it won't work. On Windows it's a little easier. You would have something called Notepad. So also if you want to use something different, if you want to use Notepad++, which that's available to download for either Windows or Mac, you could use that too. But for me, I'm just going to use the Windows Notepad for now. So to start out your HTML or JavaScript page, which basically it uses the same thing, but you need to type in HTML. So a greater than, less than sign. You go to head. Then after that, you set a title. You could say my web page, for example. So you could use the same thing if you want. And yeah, so when you're ending things out, like you would do title and then the / title, you do / head to end the head of the page. Then you go to body, which this would start out things. But first you need to type in, not type in, sorry, but just press tab and type in script space type equals in quotes text / JavaScript, then some other quotes, and yeah. So you don't need a / for there, right there, so you don't have to worry. Now, I'm just only going to be showing you a couple of functions, only 2 of them for now, but because this is just going to be a basic function video for JavaScript. But if you want me to make another video of some more advanced functions, then you can let me know in the comments below, and I would love to do that for you. So, one function will be alert. Alert is one function. The other will be prompt. Prompt is something different. So, first we'll start with alert. It's pretty basic. So, it depends on what browser you're on. If you're on Internet Explorer, it would say something like message from web page or JavaScript alert. I don't remember, but it still will have the same property and everything, and or whatever, yeah. So, first you would type in alert, then an opening parenthesis and a quote. You could type in whatever you want, whatever your message box would be. Welcome, you'd say. Next quotes. So you type in another quote. Then after that, a closing parenthesis and then a semicolon. Okay. So I'm just gonna copy this just so I could keep my progress right here. Yeah. So if you want to end anything, whatever function you're using, you type in that / type in script. Okay. Then after that, you would type in the / body / HTML, and now you could save that to wherever you want. See, then you could run it. Just make sure you could save it wherever you want. You could name it whatever you want. Like for me, I'm just going to name it page, like as in web page. But make sure you put period HTML at the end. If you're on Windows or Mac, it's the same thing, but you need to make it a .html. So if it opens up in something else like Notepad or text edit, that will mean you didn't do it right. You need to make it into an HTML. So then when you run this, as you see what the alert function will do, as you see right now, it says JavaScript alert. I told it to say welcome. So now I'm going to do some more stuff right here. So I promised you that we would do some more JavaScript with that other function. So yeah. So there's our alert function. Now what we're going to do is do the prompt. So prompt is a little bit more fun and exciting. So what it does is that it would ask you to type in something. So like into a message box or a text box, something, whatever. You just need to type in something, and then after that you could click OK, and then yeah. So for example, you could type in anything, like type something, for example, in colon. So now we will end this again. Okay, now we will save this as yeah, I don't know what I should call it right now. I'll just call it other page.html or period HTML. Yeah. So here's what this will do. This you will find is pretty cool. So as you see, it should probably show up somewhere here. So as you see, this is what the prompt function tells you to do. It wants you to type something like Andrew Zone, for example. You can type in OK, or well, not type in, but click OK. Yeah. So yeah, those are 2 basic functions, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you've not yet, and I will see you later for another video on Andrew Zone.